a group of friends faced the daunting challenge of passing their 10th standard exams. The group, known for their close bond and shared dreams, had always found school difficult. They struggled with subjects like mathematics and science, and the pressure of the upcoming board exams weighed heavily on their shoulders. Despite their best efforts, their grades had always been mediocre, and the fear of failure loomed large as the exams approached. As the final exams drew nearer, the group decided to support each other through their most difficult time. They formed a study circle, meeting every evening at one of their homes to revise together. The sessions were long and exhausting, but they pushed each other to keep going. They sought help from teachers and brighter students, spending countless hours poring over textbooks and solving past papers. The nights were sleepless, filled with anxiety and the ever-present question, would their hard work be enough? When the exams finally came, the friends gave it their all, though they were filled with uncertainty. Each day brought its own set of challenges, and they often left the examination hall with mixed feelings, unsure of how they had performed. The waiting period for results was agonizing. They dreaded the possibility of failing and disappointing their families, who had high hopes for their success. Finally, the results were announced. To their immense relief and joy, they had all passed, though just by the skin of their teeth. Their marks were not high, but they had done it. The group's journey had been a testament to their determination and the strength of their friendship. They knew they had a long way to go, but this victory, however small, gave them the confidence to face the challenges that lay ahead.